Hi everyone, Ben Groves here from MachineMetrics. Today I wanted to quickly explain to you how many of our customers are tracking their tool life usage within MachineMetrics. It starts with us pulling the tool life direct from your machine. Whether you are using tool life management software from say Fanuc, or you have the machine tool builder's own tool life tracking, or whether you're just using macro variables, we can pull all of that information direct from the machine and put it together for you in a real easy to understand graphical view. And we often put this on the up dash tab across the top here. Here on this view, we can see all the tools in use on this job. We can see their presets, we can see what the current count is, and by knowing the cycle time of the part, we can tell you how much time is remaining for that tool. And then we've got the progress bars to the right hand side. Many customers will use this to understand and prioritize when to change their tooling to reduce downtime on the machines. There is full tracking and traceability of these changes as well. And supervisors and managers can also be alerted when tools are about to expire if you do not have dedicated operators on machines. This is the per machine view. We also have a dashboard that works great up in your tool room so that the tool room personnel can see when tools have expired on what machines, and then they can start prepping them in advance of the supervisor or operator coming over to get their tooling so they can continue running their machines. I hope you found this useful, and we look forward to tracking your tool usage on your machines very soon. Thanks for watching.